yes, sumo.
Yes, mama, ready.
And you may yakin cancer, no. Your my sister Paulina and a day after.
You may yakin cancer, no. You better free. Abus chapter.
Hey, babe! Sister Paulina, we reading glasses here, China, Hebrews.
Hey! Madam!
Ajenkwani, Tina Tet Hayan Herbal Capsule, a drawing Tina per what to send me. Me ready, I mention glasses. Obrodi Bessie, see clear.
No crow. Kinaata Hayan Herbal Capsules, a full supplement for good vision and not recommended for children below 12 years, asthmatic patients, pregnant and breastfeeding mothers.
A drawing baby atwa for Tina Tet Herbal Shop. Hey, now wait. Kinaata Hayan.
See clear.
Kinaata drawing FDA ahwehwem agye atum se eje.
My mama kwa ba de ba je Ghana TV eso every do sesam hudwa ya bobo no ye de ever so mo kase bo kwanso wei ye kase bo te wo hwa me live on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. So any day ka wo hwa me subscribe, like and share Emma afofro so entimi enhwe bi mi amaje bre America se boy ever so mo ye me da che hima ajoa nati afeye mora ensamono emu. World Cup ya ayakukọ so yi mu a na eye fiada etwemu eye Ghana Black Star ene eye Uruguay ede wo mo akensie no ehyehyɛ so a chese within first 7 minutes a mechire eye sima ensontem pepepe na Ghana ye nya penalty against Uruguay abra we si ye pe na eye Ghana ye striker baako a eye dede ayu etambo ni hye na moto mu a chese wo hwa se de si kɔ na chese nya de wo bejeja mu ama obi abosa penalty na abra wo fa ball na wo bebo pe na Ghana fo chance se wo keka ho asem na we de nkai wo se kudus na bo na we de wo se nka kudus na bo eye de nti na eye dede ayu na bebo na Ghana for keka ya so esan say o wakata wanti Ghana for asemunti watambo no tu nanim ene wo boy ya na chese olusu penalty no ene attempt de left right front to center so wo GBN it is said ye asamwaja na emre bi etwemu no olusu penalty na Ghana for yi ni haircut fefefe no sa haircut ni bia ena chese Ghana fo yima dede ayu ene enti ya yenya kire se eye ne baba akwa wenya mfie nso nkura ekolapse ezas wo hwese de atemdidie ne kwana enya sam keto enya atemdidie de efrifia da ne bepem na dwade kura wonfa ne ho na abra asemi si ya akansie no ekọ na wie ye na makansie no so ma Uruguay kura etimi ebehye Ghana 2 Ghana yentimi anti mu bie kura na akansie isi ye na ensemtrofo tweben Daniel Amartey na watoto na no bie bisebisa na nsem bia na no ya wode ma ye etrese yade se abra wo mo ebekọ park ne so kura na wo ka kire ne nkorofo ne se boy ya ye ekoboyi se yentimi anhya wo mo kura na wo se ye pomodin se ye be defendi ye esanse Ghana ye hia goals se be ya ye betimi qualify akon next level na mom Uruguay ehia more goals se be ya wo mo so ebetimi atena akansie ne mu inti sempo yentimi anhye goal ni bia say yetimi defendi ye ama Uruguay entimi anhye yensadie wo mo peza na Uruguay pe 3 or more goals say be ye wo mbetimi atena akansie ni mu na mom yakoba say ye say penalty na yentimi anhye biom no Uruguay nya akwanya ma wo hye ye mienu enso o kire say ye players no bomodin ye pa ade ye defendi ye papa say be ye ebetimi ama Uruguay entimi enhye emma womu entimi qualify inti say ye be fie die Ghana be fie Uruguay enso ekofie womu ahye womu so a womu entimi an qualify ye nyina ye be fie inti womu say ye entimi an qualify die enso ya ma ho kwan ama Uruguay so entimi an qualify.
Daniel, how disappointing is this for you? Yeah, it's very disappointing for me and for everybody. It's football. We have to go and work more. We'll see next World Cup. Yeah.
Well, at the end of the day, it looked like Ghana has also knocked out Uruguay. Does it do anything at all?
No, we came here to win, to go through, but the game changed. That is football, and I think other team too, the results changed there. So you can say Uruguay won't win now. It want one more goal, but we don't give the chance for them. So it's good.
Daniel, also there's a problem. Many have noted that we were conceding 2 goals in very short space of time against Portugal, against Uruguay, and against South Korea. What really was the problem?
Like I say, it's football. We came here to defend well, but any small chance, because this is a high-level game, World Cup. If you give small chance, they'll score because they have very good strikers and they need these chances, and we don't have to give them. But happy, yeah.
Your final words to Ghanaians?
I want to say a big thanks to Ghana, and we thank them for the support and everything. I know they are not happy, and we just tell them that we'll do more for them, and we are so grateful for the support, for everything they do for us. God bless them. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Do you think that what happened 12 years ago had an impact tonight on the game?
Oh, not at all. 12 years is past. This is new World Cup, so I think we enjoy, and they give us good match, and I think we give them good match too. So we just take.
So Andre was not thinking about what happened 12 years ago when he shot the penalty?
I don't know at all. That's penalty. Penalty anybody can miss. You miss it, we just move on. That's okay.
Thank you, Dan.
Ebusi aha na brama kwan ema yede kase bono ebesi. Edi amejeso yeda chehema ajwa nati. Asida kase enkoma Glit and Glow Skin Care Kinaata Herbal and Janelle Organic Foods. Dedi ho enkoma production crew. Wa waje branso aremen so medasa papa makram.
Sorry. Oh, Doc. Yes, Waba. And you both, Doc. I want to know why you did. Who knows why she after said, "Do you turn your man? No, see the young cuckoo. So, your stomach was up, said the young. Had been so as I become. And then crying, meaning said, if you be forcing a I don't know.
Test results natural say when you malaria when the moji.
Yeah, 3D.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Tinatet tomac and a tinatet malake. Famano nano hobetono.
Malake, anything at Tumac. I'm on my free.
Tinatet malake eyema obi a wanya malaria fever ena tinatet tomac mixture eyema obi a wanya indigestion yenhwehwemu hu so wanya malaria and sign na wafa adroi. Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.